In this video, we will show you how to submit your candidate's examined and moderated work using our Submit for Assessment service. Submit for Assessment was previously known as eSubmission. You can log into the service via My Cambridge. If you are using the service for the first time, you must create an account using the temporary password we have sent you. If you have used eSubmission or Submit for Assessment in a previous exam series, you log in using the same email and password by following the Submit for Assessment URL. This is in the administrative guide, the samples database, and on screen now. Depending on your entries, you will be uploading work for some moderated components and some examined components. Detailed information about what components to submit is in the Submit for Assessment administrative guide and in the samples database. If you need to submit work for both examined and moderated components, you will see this screen. If you only need to submit either examined or moderated work, you will only see the relevant option. For examined components, select Submit Candidate Work for Marking. For moderated components, select Submit Samples for Moderation. You have to submit your internally assessed marks for moderated components on Direct first. Please wait at least 1 hour after submitting marks on Direct before submitting your sample. Select a moderated syllabus and then choose the component for which you want to upload work. Open the candidate list. All candidate entries will be listed for the component you have selected. If the entry window is still open, you can enter a candidate on Direct by following the Add Candidates entry link. Please wait at least 1 hour after making an entry on Direct. For moderated components, you will also need to upload a working mark sheet. To upload, select the file from your computer by clicking the Upload icon. You can also drag and drop the file onto the Components section or onto the Learner section for a candidate. For components that involve group work, files can be assigned to more than one candidate. Select Associate Files with other candidates and then select the candidates to attribute the file to from the list. You can upload multiple files at the same time by using the Bulk Upload button. After you have uploaded files, you can view, download, delete or replace them if necessary before you finally submit. If you do not have a particular piece of work for a candidate, tick the Missing box. You do not have to upload all work at the same time. You can log in and add files gradually. All the work you upload saves automatically. For examined components, candidates can be marked as absent by selecting the Mark as Absent button. When you have uploaded the work for all the required candidates, you can press Submit. Once you have submitted your candidate's work, you cannot add, amend or delete files. If after you have submitted you think you have made an error, please contact us. If you have any questions or need more support, please contact info@cambridgeinternational.org. Thank you for watching.